Hi everyone, this is Nathan Schmidt with Earl OWen Company. Today we've got Isaac with the Curt Group. He's going to tell us about two new exciting products. So check it out.
Hello, I'm Isaac with the Curt Group, and today we're talking about the preloaded RockerBall mount kit. The RockerBall is a unique new product from Curt that comes in a 2-inch or a 2 5/16 ball. You'll notice it has a unique base here with isolators built on either side. So as you go down the road, the typical chucking or rocking that you receive from your trailer will actually absorb to give you a much smoother ride down the road. This preloaded kit comes pre-installed on a 4-inch or a 6-inch ball mount, giving you a 1-inch or a 3-inch drop respectively. The rocker ball is greasable, and there's a greaser built right here on the bottom. It is pre-torqued onto the ball, and the preload kit also comes with the innovative anti-rattle kit installed right in the back. Coming soon to the shelves near you. This is our new lightning quick coupler. If you notice, the first thing you'll notice on this 2-inch coupler is that there is no type of switch or attachment apparatus here on the top. It is the easiest coupler that you'll ever see. Basically, you remove the pin, If you can get the pin back through, you're positively coupled. There's no link on the top to jump up and down and try to remove or get it to lock into place. It's absolutely the simplest product you'll ever see. When you drop this onto a ball mount, it is literally that simple. We're anticipating these to be launching and in stores in November. So keep a lookout on CurtMFG.com for new product updates, and stop by Earl OWen because they'll have it on the shelf for you to go.